Disk partitioning in installation of Windows. This episode will let you see what tools are available to partition the hard drive while installing Windows 7. When a hard drive is installed in a computer, it must be partitioned before you can format and use it. Partitioning a drive is when you divide the total storage of a drive into different pieces. These pieces are called partitions. Once a partition is created, it can then be formatted so that it can be used on a computer. When partitions are made, you specify the total amount of storage that you would like to allocate to that partition from the total size of the drive. For example, if you have an 80 GB drive, then it would be possible to make one partition consisting of the entire 80 GB of available storage. Alternatively, you could make two partitions consisting of a 20 GB partition that will be used for the operating system and programs and a 60 GB partition set aside for data, music, and images. Here's how to partition the hard drive in a Windows 7 installation. Boot your computer to the Windows 7 flash drive. And then press any key and wait for the setup. Next, enter your language and other preferences. And then click Next to continue. Please read the license. Then accept the license terms and click Next. In this part you see existing partitions. These are my test setup. Click Drive Options, Advanced. We use Delete to remove the existing partitions. You can choose to use the entire empty space, or just a part of the space. We have 149 GB and I have chosen to use half of the 149 GB available. I use 76,288 MB, which is equal to 74.5 GB. Click Apply and then Windows will, by default, create the system reserved partition. In this screen you see the reserved partition of 100 MB. I recommend keeping this. Next, you have the options of creating a new partition in the unallocated space, extending the selected partition into the unallocated space, shrinking the selected partition, or deleting one or all existing partitions. Now you can complete your Windows 7 installation in the partitions you have created. Now click Next. The next episode will continue the discussion about Windows installation.